Hi there. Greetings from Vissco. Let us now see how to use the Vissco Finger Splint Long. Product code 0631. The Vissco Finger Splint Long immobilize the finger in the resting position and helps in a speedy recovery. It is used in case of metacarpal fracture, tendon injury of the finger, and post-surgery of the finger. It is available in universal size. One size fits all. Let us see how to use this product. Slide your injured finger right inside the splint so that the long part of the splint is on the palmar side and supporting the metacarpal joint. Fix the splint with the Velcro straps to a comfortable and snug fit. Congratulations! You're now wearing the product correctly.